In this Python NiceGUI tutorial, we will make a web application with timeline. In the video I will show step by step how to do the application. You can subscribe to the YouTube channel to support us. I will use these images in the application. You can download the images from the GitHub link in the description of the video. First, I create a timeline element using with. I specify the position of the object by sending the side value to the timeline function. I will create an image element in the object. I adjust the size of the image using the classes function. I save the code file and run it. You can go to this address using any browser. I added the image to the website. I will create a timeline entry object. I send text, title and subtitle values to the function. I am saving the code file. I added the timeline entry object to the web page. I will create an image and timeline object for Liz Truss. We can do this by copy-pasting. I am making the necessary arrangements. I am saving the code file. I added the second timeline object to the web page. Finally, I will create a timeline object for the Rishi Sunak. I'm copying and pasting. I am making the necessary arrangements. I am saving the code file. I added 3 timeline objects one under the other to the web page. I want to show how they are added side by side. Using the row function, I can add objects side by side instead of one under the other. I am saving the code file. I added the timeline object side by side. In this video, we learned how to use the timeline object. You can subscribe to the YouTube channel to support us.